In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your projects using Asana. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or someone just starting out, Asana is a fantastic tool that can help you streamline your workflow, improve collaboration, and keep everyone on the same page. So, let's dive into how you can get started with Asana and make the most of its features. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Asana homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. It's quick and easy to set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage, where you can see an overview of your recent activities and tasks. This is your central hub, giving you a quick snapshot of everything that's happening in your projects. Now let's get started with adding a task. Click on the Add Task button. This is where you can create a new task within your project. Tasks are the building blocks of your projects in Asana. Give your task a clear and concise name so everyone involved knows exactly what needs to be done. You can also add additional details such as descriptions, assign team members, and set deadlines to ensure everyone is on track. Once you've added a few tasks, you'll want to get a clear view of how they fit into your project timelines. Head over to the project timeline view by clicking on project timeline. This view is incredibly useful for visualizing your project's progress over time. You can see how tasks overlap, the dependencies between them, and any potential bottlenecks. It's a great way to ensure that your project stays on schedule and that everyone knows what's coming up next. If you want to add more tasks directly from the timeline view, just click on the Add Task option here as well. This is particularly useful when you're mapping out your project and realize that you need to add additional steps or tasks to reach your goal. Having the ability to add tasks on the fly helps you keep the workflow dynamic and adaptable to changes. For those of you working on multiple projects, Asana offers Project Timeline V2, a refined version of the original timeline view. This feature includes some handy upgrades that make managing several projects simultaneously even more seamless. With this enhanced view, you get better insights and more control over your project schedules, helping you effectively allocate resources and avoid any overlaps or inefficiencies. Finally, to maintain control and keep everything organized, make sure you regularly return to the Asana home and timeline views to review progress, adjust plans as necessary, and ensure tasks are completed as expected. By following these steps and utilizing Asana's powerful tools, your project management process should become not only more effective, but also far more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy project managing.